guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Solange, and in today's video I'm going to start decorating for Christmas. By the time I'm filming this right now, I already decorated a little bit, and I'm doing the finishing touches that I'll be showing on my next video that I'm fully decorating. Right now is more like greenery and a little bit of decor here and there, but on the next video it's gonna be full detailed Christmas decoration. I'm gonna be decorating also the tree. On this one I just put it up, put some lights on, but on the next video I'm going to be actually adding the ornaments and everything. So I hope you guys like this video, and subscribe if you want to see the next one. I use a lot of my vintage decor items and some new ones, so stay tuned to watch how I use them all. And without further ado, let's get started. First, I started by unboxing the famous Afloral Garland. I ordered 4 of them, and I really love them. I love the real touch, and I love how real it looks. I started decorating. First I added a little burgundy bow on my thrifted basket that I have for my records. Then I added 3 thrifted books, also in burgundy. I really love burgundy for this year's holiday theme. Then I added some candles, some taper candles on top of the books. I also added a bell that I got at Target that I'm going to DIY on my next video. I also got a Walmart 2 red faux poinsettias, and I just put them in my planters that I already had, and I put them one on each side of the TV console to give it some balance and to add up to that red burgundy theme, to tie it all in together. Then I put some hooks. You can find these hooks probably anywhere, on Amazon. I'm not sure where I bought them because I had them for a while, but I'll try to look some for you. And by the way, everything I can link, I'll just link it below in the description box. So I added these hooks to support the garland. So I added the first one from half to the right side, and then I added the second one from half the TV console to the left. I wanted it to be fully covered in garland, and these are really perfect the way they fall on top of the TV console. I just love the look of it. Then to tie it all together, I added another red velvet bow in the middle. I just put some Gorilla Tape and put it in the middle of the garland. And then I just added some lights that I got at Target. They were like $5. For our unboxing number 2, I got some stuff at Michael's online. First, I got this little Christmas tree that I wanted for my bedroom. I didn't even know it was flocked, but it was a nice surprise. I don't have anything else that's flocked, so it was something different. Then I got this little red stem to add to my table decor. I also got this poinsettia stems for my coffee bar. Got these little bells. Everything was super affordable. I also found these candles in the Christmas tree shape that I saw that were sold out everywhere, especially on Amazon. And I got them for a great price also. I was very surprised. And I got this other garland to mix in with my Afloral garlands. Then at Walmart I also got these 2 swags, really nice quality. And then I got to decorating. First I started on top of my balcony door to add some garlands, and I mixed in one of the Afloral garlands and then the Michael's garland. But I was still missing one more garland to finish it off. I'll show you on my next video. And then I started putting up the Christmas tree, fluffing the branches. In this video, I'm only going to add some lights, and I'm not going to decorate with ornaments yet, but on the next video, you'll see what I'll do with my final Christmas tree look. So these are the lights I got from last year. They are super nice. I love the look of them. I know there's also some that come wireless, so you just clip on each branch and they all work together. But I already had these ones and I really like them. You can't even see the wires much because everything is green, but I'll link both below just in case. And this is the final look. I added at the bottom a tree skirt that I got at Ross, and that's the final look. I also added, as you can see in the back, the swags. I put the bells in it and I attached them to the swag. And then I decided to hang them on my artwork. That's actually a thrifted artwork that was super colorful, and I just decided to paint it white. So the swag is like the perfect touch of color. Then I ordered this brown velvet pillowcases for my throw pillows in my couch. They came super wrinkly and not looking great, but once I ironed them, they looked perfectly well and they matched the rest of my decor. I love faux fur, velvet, and boucle, so I have a little bit of everything, different textures on my couch, and I think they all go together very well. On my coffee table, I added some vintage vases, a candle, and some books. I added my little reindeer that I showed on my previous video in my haul. Then for my living room mirror, I added also a garland from Afloral. I just bent it on the side. I wanted to drape to the side. And then for more fullness, I added another one of the Michael's garland. And then I just fluffed them and mixed them in together. And I think they look very pretty together. So then for my coffee bar, I added this beautiful poinsettia stems to this vintage vase. And I like a little bit of the green and red together. It's obviously very classic Christmas, but not too obvious. And then I just added a printed Christmas tree picture to a vintage frame. So for my small Christmas tree, I added some of the packaging that came with a box inside of a bigger vase to make it look more put together, more designer. And I just put it next to my desk. I have a little desk area, and since it's all neutral, it ties in perfectly together. Then I added the Christmas tree candle on my thrifted candle holder, and I think it looks perfectly well together. And this is the final look. Okay guys, that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and it gave you some inspiration to decorate for Christmas. I personally love decorating for Christmas. I just really enjoy the process, and I really enjoy decorating a little bit early because you can enjoy the decor for longer. So I hope it gave you some ideas and inspiration. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.